Hey guys, I have my new parrot and you could see it and look like he's so cute and I want to make friends with her and boy, never. He's 5 years old and he decides to be my friend. He's so cute and I love him. So he wants to come to me. Look, he's so cute. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Everyone. Hi. He's so cute. He got one camera. Look. Your friend.
Feeling like a this and that, this and that. You could take a cool bird truck from home. I got this and that, this and that. Cappuccino in Americano. I'll take this and that.
And he tried to eat food now. He eat banana. He love banana. Like candy banana. I want to make fun. He eat that. He like it. I know what he's like. He's like, yummy, I love this. And I make my new style, my hair, butterfly, and I want to make them my parrots, and I will show you.
Did you just see it? Oh my god, when I'm panic. I know, right? I hit the stage, yeah, I'm back again. Saying my name, talk again.
He's my friend. Come, say hi. Say hi. You on TV now? Say hi. Say hi. Oh, he wants to see me. Say hi. We love you. You're my friend. You want to look. You like me? Yeah, he's shy. What's that? I love him. He's so cute. And I'm making for you guys. I hope you watch this. He wants to come down. Oh, no.